Hey guys, it's Em, and today I'm going to show you how to do a waterfall French braid. Oh, but before I do, I want to show you this duct tape bow that I made and this braided headband. I made both of these, and if you want to know how to make them, just comment and I'll do a tutorial on it. Alright, here we go. You're going to start off as with 3 equal pieces, just like this, how you do a normal braid. Cross that one over, cross that one over, and now you're gonna get a piece like that, like a normal French braid. And this is where it gets different. Instead of crossing this over, you're just gonna drop it, and you're gonna pick up another piece, cross it over. Alright, and I'm just going to keep repeating that process. Now, I'm picking up bigger pieces here for time's sake, but if you pick up smaller pieces, it looks a lot more intricate and fancy. But this will still look cool too. You can see I'm still just doing the same thing. Drop it, pick it up. Alright, and you can do this around your whole head, but that takes a while, and I'm just going to do this side of my head. Alright, and I think after this we'll be done. Right after this one. Okay. Alright, now I'm going to take a bobby pin. I'm just going to end it like that. I'm going to take my bow again. I'm going to put that in there as well. Just like that. Alright, and Maeve, would you step down for a second? I'm going to show you what I did on my sister. Now I did this with really small pieces, so it looks more intricate, and I did it all the way around her head. And there's another bow. That one's rainbow. Alright. Thank you for watching, and see you later.